What is an indicator or study, and is there any difference between the two? Well, there is no difference. They mean the same thing to a trader. Have you ever seen a professional golfer bend over, kind of crop or cut off some grass in his hand and throw it up into the air to get a direction of the wind before he hits the shot? He's trying to get an indication or a hint of the direction of wind or maybe the speed and what impact that might have on his golf shot. An indicator or study is much the same thing. There are literally dozens and dozens of indicators. At StockMarketCaddy.com, our library is currently nearing 30 proprietary indicators. Indicators have basically 4 major categories. The first being an indication of trend. The second, an indication of momentum. When momentum is building, or maybe more importantly, when momentum is diverging. Volatility. When volatility is increasing or decreasing. And, which we don't use a lot of, volume indicators. As an example, let us open up one of our proprietary studies called the SMC GPS Combined. This is a momentum indicator, proprietary, and this is it. Now we have in our library a full definition of how it works, but you can see in general one would have wanted to be out of the market here, in the market here, into the market here, into the market here. This is the S&P over a 2-year period. Some fantastic trading opportunities. The inputs for any strategy can be found here on TradeStation. Here, any of the inputs that you can adjust. Alerts, you can set alerts. Style, you can increase the thickness or whatever of the line or of the histogram, whatever it is. You can even alter the colors. And scaling, you get a chance to set it up. Do you want it on the chart itself? Do you want it in subgraph number 2, number 3, and so on? If you are a member, an annual member to Stock Market Caddy, be sure to ask Don for a link to the SMC indicator library and its password. And we also have the SMC radar library as well as the SMC strategy library.